In this tutorial, I will show you scatter graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access scatter graph tool from here. This is graph tool stack and this is scatter graph tool. After accessing this tool, I am drawing an area and this is the data sheet. I am make it, this is year 1, this is year 2. So after that I am placing here 50, 75 and 100, and it is making 75, 100 and 125. So after this you can see you can transpose row and column from here. I am clicking here. You can see now this is this column now is row, and if you click again it will become column again. Also you can switch x and y axis, value axis from here and again switch back, and also this is cell style. So I am applying it and you can see here is the data and here is the legend. After this is scatter graph tool, this is scatter graph tool. You can access type tool, and after that here is scatter graph tool on left side, value axis on left side. You can make it on both side or left side. Also you can add drop shadow, also add legend to acrostop. I am selecting these options. Mark data points, this is you can mark this marking. If you checked off, these marks will be gone. Connect data points, also this is the connection, connect data points, and this is the mark data points, and draw field lines. Also you can draw field lines with this. And value axis and bottom axis I have already discussed with other graph tutorials. Please, I hope you will watch this for better understanding. So I am now accessing with at legend top. So now legend on the top, and this is the scatter graph tool. However, you can change the color of the scatter. You can easily colorize from it here. I am selecting blue and you can see color, and in this way you can also make it the color. Any line you can make it color, you can do it colorize. Also you can change the font size with, after accessing direct selection tool you can access font size and make the necessary adjustment as per your design need. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.